I've known Paige for many years. Friend, colleague, she's amazing. She knows more about insurance than anybody on the planet. And we're going to talk to her about things that you should know about your policy. So what are 5 top things on a homeowner's policy that a consumer should know but probably don't?
Yeah. So a big one would be that there are obviously exclusions. A lot of people often think that things like earthquake or maybe sewer backup are automatically covered in a homeowner's insurance policy, and they're not. That's something you've got to add it by endorsement. Same thing with, jewelry or items that might exceed average amounts. We've got to schedule those out. So that's a big one. I would also say another one would be kind of specific to condominiums, HO6 policies. You do need those policies, whether or not you've got a master policy most of the time, or whether or not your HOA offers coverage. We can kind of look through those for you and identify what coverages that you might need based on whatever the bylaws and your HOA, what they do offer. Another big one would be liability protection. I think a lot of the time people think that whatever is listed in your homeowner's insurance policy will be sufficient, but we usually recommend umbrella insurance on top of that as well, just because these days limits can be exceeded pretty quickly. Liability protection will provide coverage for things such as, if you have friends over or somebody's on your property and they were to be injured somehow, and they were to be injured and sue you, your liability protection would then kick in and help cover things like whatever that liability ends up being.